What are the challenges in muscular dystrophy drug development? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle where some pieces are missing or broken, and the picture keeps changing. Developing drugs for muscular dystrophy, especially Duchenne muscular dystrophy, faces many hurdles that slow down progress even with ongoing research and new therapies. One of the biggest challenges is the genetic complexity of the disease. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is caused by mutations in the dystrophin gene, which leads to a lack or malfunction of the dystrophin protein. This protein is vital for keeping muscle fibers stable. Because the gene is very large and complex, designing therapies that can restore dystrophin production or replace its function is incredibly difficult. Gene therapies need to deliver functional dystrophin or smaller versions safely and effectively to muscles throughout the body, including the heart and diaphragm, which is no small task. Safety is another major concern. While new treatments like gene therapies show promise, they also come with risks. Some trials have reported serious side effects such as inflammation of the heart muscle or myocarditis, and in rare cases, even patient deaths. Managing these safety issues while trying to provide real benefit is a delicate balancing act. Then there's the question of whether these treatments work in the long run. Many therapies have not yet demonstrated sustained benefits over time, and their long-term safety and effectiveness remains uncertain. This makes it harder for regulators to approve them and for doctors to confidently recommend them. The variability of the disease itself adds another layer of difficulty. Duchenne muscular dystrophy can progress very differently from person to person, depending on factors like age, the specific mutation, and how advanced the disease is. This makes designing clinical trials tricky because what works for one patient might not work for another. It also complicates predicting how well a treatment will perform across diverse patient groups. Regulatory pathways for rare diseases like Duchenne are complex too. Getting approval often requires extensive post-marketing studies to confirm benefits, and the high costs of these new therapies can limit access for many patients through insurance hurdles. Because Duchenne affects multiple parts of the body, including muscles, the heart, and lungs, a single drug might not be enough. Developing combination therapies that target different aspects of the disease is scientifically challenging and requires careful testing to ensure safety and effectiveness. Lastly, the small number of patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy makes it hard to enroll enough participants in clinical trials. This small pool limits the statistical power needed to prove a treatment's benefit and can slow down the approval process. In summary, developing drugs for muscular dystrophy is a complex journey. It involves overcoming genetic hurdles, ensuring safety and long-term efficacy, managing disease variability, navigating regulatory and financial barriers, and creating multi-targeted treatment plans. Researchers are working tirelessly to find solutions, including improved gene therapies, exon-skipping drugs, and supportive treatments to help muscles repair and function better. Despite these challenges, progress continues, and ongoing research offers hope for more effective treatments in the future. Always remember, personalized medical advice from healthcare professionals is essential to managing this complex condition.